I just bought myself this pill container for supplements. I feel so much better when I take supplements regularly, and yet I forget to take them all the time. So this is gonna help me remember. So this right here is not to hang, it's to pull this open like that, okay? You can see right here, you've got all the days of the week, so you can see it through the container. There are number ones all through here because that's the first, batch you take in a day, and then 2. So once you take 1, flip it over and do 2. These are a nice silicone feeling and they pop right in and out. It's pretty deep in there. Can you see my finger? You can fit quite a few pills. I'll show you with once I fill it. And I like that this is like a thin, long, you can kind of just slide it into a space so it won't take up too much space. And if you're just going somewhere for like 3 days, just grab 3 of them. That's awesome. And I chose this because it's unique and different. I used to have like the little ones that are in a row and you flip them up, but I'm gonna try something different. And I like these down here will keep it from sliding. I like the different colors. I just filled a day to show you how much space is in here. I actually ended up putting in more than I usually take just to show you how much room. So there's still so much more room in here to put even more supplements. That's what I have. They're all pretty small, but I made sure to put a big old fish oil in the second section. I really like these silicone lids too, how they pop off and then easily go back down and seal shut nicely. So here's day 2. I made sure to include, he's stuck in there now? No. Okay, I made sure to include a big old fish oil, and even with that, you can see there's still like a ton of space. I could put another fish oil and even more things. So very happy about that. This is more than enough room that I need in a daily supplement container, but maybe I'll find more things to put in there. So yeah, really liking this. And this is how I will fill it moving forward. Just open them all and drop 1 in each day of everything I take. Shut them, flip it over, do the same thing. So very efficient, easy to work with.